This is an introductory Vipassana meditation for beginners by request. Just to offer a bit of an introduction of how Vipassana looks. And this practice comes from the Mahasi Sayadaw tradition of insight meditation. You can allow your eyes to close, and I recommend, if you're able, to sit for this practice, not lie down, as sitting often offers a little bit more alertness or energy for our practice. And taking a moment to arrive where we are, adjusting the body. Can imagine energizing the spine and skeleton, reaching up, but relaxing the muscles around it, striking this balance between alertness and ease. And we'll start with a few minutes of just sitting with the breath. And as we do so, it's important to remember you don't need to strain or stress or force concentration. Just imagine collecting all of your attention and awareness and placing it at a point in the body where you can feel the body breathing. The tip of the nose or the chest or the abdomen. Resting with this physical sensation of the breath in the body. And as you do so, you can offer a simple noting, a simple labeling of in and out or rise and fall. This is to help keep the mind attuned to what's happening. Each inhale in, each exhale out. Every time the mind wanders off, just coming back to this physical experience of breathing. Coming back to the simple labels, in and out, or rise and fall. And you can add in another label here of noting the posture of the body. And as we do this, we're noting the actual physical experience of resting, how we're resting. So in, out, sitting, tuning into the experience of sitting for just a moment, feeling the butt in the chair or on the cushion, the weight of the body, the feet underneath us, whatever comes to your attention. In, out, sitting. And finally, you can add in any other experience that arises. Just noting wherever the mind goes or whatever is drawn into your awareness. In, out, sitting, thinking. In, out, sitting, hearing. Just labeling or noting whatever comes into your awareness. There's no right or wrong answer. Nothing you should or should not be experiencing. Resting in this open awareness. Watching experience move from one thing to the next. In, out, whatever's going on for you. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.